Hi everyone, you are welcome in my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you how can you learn this language. You have to take baby steps. Small children, how does they learn this language? So any children learns after listening. So we have to listen and then we have to practice. We have to copy that words, that sentences. If we do, so we can learn small sentences. We have to learn every day. So if you do this kind of practice, if you do listening practice and speaking, then definitely you can able to. Small children learn any language by listening. So first we have to listen, then you have to reply. So you have to take a baby step for learning this language. Every day you have to try. Every day you have to try different things to speak. If you do this kind of practice, definitely you can able to speak this language. It's not so hard. Just you start. All of you are learning this language because it was your syllabus English language. So in this time you want to learn this language, so you have to start speaking, listening. If you do, definitely you can learn this language. So every day you have to try speaking whatever you see, all around picture, anything, then you have to speak to learn about that picture. So definitely you can speak anything. So you have to try every day. Without practice you cannot learn this language, you cannot speak this language. You need practice, speaking practice, listening practice. You do every day, definitely you can learn. So I have been practicing this English last 13 years because I wanted to learn this language. So I have continued my journey of spoken English. Yet now I'm speaking, yet now I'm practicing English. So you must do speaking practice every day. Definitely they will come, you can able to speak this language. It's not so hard. You have to do speaking practice every day. Okay, I'll meet you another video. I will tell you another thing. Till now, bye.